Welcome friends, again I'm here to show you how to make this kind of, you can see, I'm going to show you how to make this kind of beautiful studs. These are big studs, you can see, and the mirror in the middle and beautiful stone, you can see. For that we need fabric glue, scissor, stone chain, pearl chain, you can see this is pearl chain, and this is kundan, eye-shaped kundan, canvas sheet which I have already cut it in the round shape, and this is small mirror, you can see. I have plastic ones, you can use glass one also, but just for safety reason I'm just using the plastic one. And you can see the stud base I have already just pinch and just stick with the canvas sheet. This you can see in my previous video I have shown you how to stick. And the back stud base, this is back metal stud base which I used to put here just to close, and you can see this is such a beautiful. Okay, let's start how to make all this thing. First we will take our round canvas sheet. I have cut it, but you don't need to cut everything. You can take a paper and you can just put your mirror. You have to stick in the center. For that I will take fabric glue and I will apply glue in one side, then I will here stick. You can see, just let it dry for some time because it's very wet, so better you let it dry for some time. After that you can see here I have put only mirror first, then I will put glue around the middle. I'm going to put glue around the mirror because I have to stick my pearl chain. You can see I have to stick my pearl chain around mirror first, and I'm putting here. You can see I have sticked my pearl chain around the mirror. Now I'm going to apply glue again around the pearl chain, and then I will put my stone chain. You can see I have sticked first mirror and then pearl chain and then stone chain. Now we have to apply glue again on the rest of the part, and then we will stick our eye-shaped kundan one by one. I will show you. Let me put the glue first, then I'll show you. Now you can see I have put glue in the half of the portion, then I am going to take this eye-shaped kundan and I am going to fix one by one around the stone chain. You can see this is wet, so I can't show you properly. So one by one around the, like this, you can see I have fixed all the kundan, eye-shaped kundan around the mirror and ball chain, sorry, not ball chain, actually pearl and stone chain around that. And then when our patch will be ready like this, what we have to do, we have to take another round canvas sheet and we have to stick stud base there, and we'll put glue over here, and then we'll stick with this patch with the another patch, and then you can see we have sticked nicely over here, and this you can see stud base is here and our stud is ready. But you have to just let it dry for some time because this is not properly dry, it's wet. So you can see our jhumka, sorry, not jhumka, actually I used to make jhumka a lot, so I am feeling like it's a jhumka, but this is a stud. You can see a beautiful stud are ready. I hope you like my video, and I know the video is not that much good, but I'm just trying to improve my video, how I can show you in a best way. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe my channel.